Because we want to move away from the traditional diplomacy of attending meetings, cocktails, barbecue. That's okay. 30% only. 70% is to pursue the commercial interest of our country, is to market our agricultural produce, is to make sure that our exporters from Kenya have the best deal. So we want to create a diaspora fund guaranteed by the government, similar to treasury bonds and treasury bills, where the people of diaspora can invest back home and you earn interest and good interest, so that as you come home, your savings are intact.